this video, we will see instruments handling and cleaning. Also, we will see cleaning of stethoscope.
Now we will see about instrument handling and cleaning, such as BP apparatus, stethoscope, pulse oximeter, etc. While handling the instrument cleaning, always must to wear mask and gloves. Use 70% alcohol with the help of cotton for cleaning. From upper to lower side, clean it with each stroke in one time. Articles are BP apparatus, stethoscope, earbuds, dry cotton, bowl, 70% alcohol sanitizer, kidney tray. Cleaning of stethoscope. Take isopropane cotton swab 1 and cleaning upper both sides, and after that discard the swab. Take other swab and clean the tubing part of the stethoscope. Now take earbud and dip in isopropane solution and clean earpiece part with earbud. Now other side of the earpiece, clean with the same earbud but other side of the earbud. Now remove the both earpiece and clean inside with clean earbud. Take isopropane swab and clean diaphragm and bell part of the stethoscope. Now remove the outer part of the diaphragm and bell and take one swab for cleaning inside of the diaphragm part. Then take another swab and clean inside part of the bell, and then take another stroke and middle part of the diaphragm and bell. Now take earpiece and clean with earbud inside of the earpiece. Same process you have to follow outer covering part of the diaphragm as well as bell. Now leave it for drying purpose in the air. Remember that always clean stethoscope at least twice a day daily.